Gbogbo mu Àwórì kì í ti gbé o. Ó gbére. Researchers, historians, custodians of cultures, come closer. The book we are expecting is here. A landmark historical compendium comprising 366 pages titled Ado-Odo, House of Oduduwa, Fortress of Ancient Yoruba Civilization, Chronicles of a Sanctuary City in Western Yorubaland, on the history of Ado-Ife, now referred to as Ado-Odo, was formally unveiled before stakeholders at the Ado-Odo Town Hall on Sunday, 6th June 2025. That is, you can now get copies for yourself and your family. The monumental work was curated by a dedicated research team under the auspices of Alámùwa Central Development Council, ACDC, led by the esteemed octogenarian community leader Ojimu Agbaoye, Chief Alhaji Ramon Olamide Akinola, a 1978 history graduate of the University of Ibadan and distinguished author of several works, including The Impact of Egba-Dahomean Military Confrontations of the 19th Century. The project also benefited from a diverse group of co-authors drawn from fields such as mass communication, education, political science, and law. This book is a must-read for every individual because it crafts a rich, expansive, and a well-researched history of Ado-Odo, exploring its origin, founding clans, relationship with neighboring kingdoms, geography and pre-colonial, colonial, and post-colonial developments. Now you have the opportunity to learn more, know more about what you don't know in the history of Ado-Odo Kingdom. The particular interest is the book's exploration of the primacy of Oduduwa, also reverently known as Iyagbe, now represented by the Alaje, custodians of Oduduwa Temple in Ilaje, Ado. The narrative detailed her departure from the ancient Ile-Ife following the epochal flood of the Oyelagbo-Moro era, an event memorialized in the Oriki of Ado, Omo-Alado Moro, a phrase derived from Oyelagbo-Moro. I tell you, you're going to see a lot in this book. Another one that is capturing is the temple of Elijah Ado and the mystic of the ever-thriving silk cotton tree, identified by the chronicles such as Ellis, with substantial references to the Oduduwa in the works of Pharaoh 1926, Lucas 1948, Bolaji Idowu 1962, and Ashiwaju 1976. You will see a lot in this book. Learn more in this book. Another section of the book shows the advent of Christianity and the pivotal role played by the early missionaries, whose intervention brought an end to the Ado-Egba military standoff. A major section was also devoted for the Western formal education, which was pioneered by the Christian mission. A significant highlight is the detailed account of the Oduduwa Temple located in Ilaje, Ado, a spiritual citadel once visited by Bishop Ajayi Crowther in 1845 during the turbulent days of Egba-Dahomean conflicts. The book further traces the branches of later sanctuaries of the Oduduwa Temple across Itolu, Ilaro, Jabata, Ajase, Sabe, and Igbora, affirming Ado Kingdom historic status. The book pays tribute to the earliest founders of Ado-Odo, notably praising the contributions of Onitako, also known as Onita Akoko, recognized as the foremost pioneer. Others such as Asode, Onirunmi Ekun, Adegbaisi B, Alámùwa, and several others forebearers are acknowledged for their instrumental roles. This book also gives a detailed account of authorship institution in Ado-Odo, including the lineage of ruling houses and the title families. This book offers an insightful overview of the regnal list of the 42 past monarchs, all bearing the prestigious title Olofin Adimula Oodua, culminating in the reign of the current monarch, Alayeluwa Oba Idris Olushola Adebowale Adeyanju Lamidi Osolotu, reigning Olofin Adimula Oodua of Ado-Odo Kingdom. This book is a must-read, a must-own for every lovers of culture, history, and tradition. Get your copy at Olofin Adimula Palace, Ado-Odo. You can also get it at Alhaji Chief Aro Akinola's residence at 7 Akako Street, Ado-Odo. You can also get this book at LHS College, Tollgate Road, Ota. You can get it at Center for Planning Studies, opposite Echo Market, Lasu Ojo campus. You can also get it in Ibadan from Dr. M. Yonda Karim. You can also get it at Mount Zion Shopping Complex, 72 Idiroko Road, Sango, Ota. You can also get it at Ojoge Shopping Complex, Babio, Ota. You can also get it at Omidigbo Street, Olorunshogo, Mushin, Lagos. You can also get it at Abeokuta Street, Anifowose, Ikeja, Lagos. Or kindly contact any of the contacts on your screen to get your copy today.